because we know a lot of those folks do come into Augusta for treatment. So working with my counterpart in South Carolina as well.
Yeah, I know somebody's going to immediately say, hey, I would love to do that, but I drive a Toyota Corolla. I don't have a handicap-accessible van. I don't have a...
For a free quote, call 1-800-900-5789. 1-800-900-5789.
Limitations and exclusions apply. See plan for details.
Hey, honey, you know our garage door is the heaviest moving piece in our home, right?
Yeah.
So if something went wrong with it and you had to get out there and monkey around with it and lift it by yourself while running late for work, it would be a bummer, right?
Yeah, for sure.
The genuine overhead door company of Augusta is offering a spring tune-up service with up to 4 rollers and a safety check on doors and operators.
Blinker would be nice.
At least they did decide, oh, we'll just have something come out every month instead of...
What happened back then? Did you try to reach out? Did you try to cry out to anybody at that point?
I definitely did. I filed a grievance with U.S. Figure Skating and with a second organization called the Professional Skaters Association.
What was their response?
The U.S. Figure Skating would not see, had in their bylaws that if a crime or an alleged crime occurred more than 60 days past when I filed a grievance, that they wouldn't even see it. So, crazy person on the left.
But it has nothing to do with what the situation of Parkland was, which was a failure of law enforcement to follow their own protocols to protect innocent civilians. And on top of that,
pick a lane, buddy.
2015 Ford Escape SE for only $237 a month, or buy for $20.